Good morning, my little learners. How are you all? Oh, I know you are fine. You are with your parents. Yes. Today we start a day. What is the date today? 26th. And June month is going on. Which year is going on? 2020. 2020. And what is the day today? Today is Friday. All of you speak after me, baby. Friday. Friday. Day. Friday. Today is Friday. After Friday, I have two holidays. Wow. Saturday and Sunday. Sight word. Sight word is she. Sight word is she. We use she with girls. With mama, when we talk about mama, when we talk about didi, when we talk about grandmother, auntie, so we use she. She is my mama, she is my sister, she is my aunt. Okay, now sentence. She sat on a mat. She, sight word hai, we will read like this only. And then sat on a mat. She sat on a mat. She sat on a mat. Now today ma'am will give you written revision of a sound ag words. Ag words. First we revise all the words which we done earlier. First, at words is at sound at words. K at a cat, b at a bat, f at a fat, h at a hat. Oh my God, you are not speaking. Repeat after me. We revise this so many times. H at a hat, r at a rat, s at a sat. Okay, now next, and words. B and a ban, k and a can, f and a fan, m and a man, p and a pan, r and a ran. Now app words. G app a gap, m app a map, n app a nap, t app a tap, cl app a clap, cl app a clap. Now add words. Add words. Add a add, b add a bad, h add a had, l add a lad, p add a pad, d add a dad, gl add a glad, gl add gl add a glad. Okay, now today ma'am will give you revision ag sound on the board. B ag a bag, g ag a gag, l ag a lag, r ag a rag, t ag a tag, v ag a wag, f l ag a flag, f l ag a flag. Okay, now we start writing. Take out your notebook or worksheet. Take out your sharpened pencil. And what comes next? Alligator hand. Take out your alligator hand and hold your pencil like this. Nobody will hold like this. Yes, hold it like this. Nice. Now put your pencil on second blue line. Start. B. B and G. Bag. B ag a bag. Next word, G. G start from second blue line and come down till red line. G ag a gag. Then next word is lag. L ag lag. Rag. R and G. When you are writing any word, nobody will pick the pencil. When you write cursive, nobody will pick the pencil in between. T and G. Flag. F is in 4 line. You start from second blue line and write till red line. G. Flag. Now one more time we'll write. Again start. Bag. Gag. You know how to write? Yes. Speak out. All of you repeat after me. Lag. Rag. Oh, type is slash. Put a slash on T. Tag. Put a slash on T in between red and blue line. Don't put a slash on blue line, okay? Sometimes it is not visible properly. Wag. F is in 4 line again. Write it nicely. Flag. Good. Now finish your work and send your worksheet to ma'am. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.